I am Kian Ken Vidiliso. I love playing basketball and my dream is to become a police officer. I have 8 siblings and I am the youngest. Growing up, a big family taught me to, to be patient, responsible, and hardworking. I am excited to reach my dream and make difference in future career. I am hardworking, disciplined, and determined. I always give my best everything I do. I also know how to work well with others because of my experience in basketball of my lab and being part of big family. My weakness. Sometimes I try to do too much on my own because I want things to be done perfectly. But I am learning to manage my time better and trust others to help. As a fresh graduate, I am ready to learn and work hard. I am disciplined, responsible, and team player. I'm also physically fit and prepare for challenges. I will follow the rules, respect others, and to do my best to help keep the community safe. In 5 years, I see myself as a police officer, doing my best to serve and protect people. I hope to gain more experience and improve my skills. My goal is to keep learning and growing while helping make my community safer place. And that's all.